Okay, let's start what we've come into the room to do. Now we are going to do development of a regular prism using the parallel line method. First of all, we're going to do our prism using the polygon tool. Polygon, number of sides, 6. Now we're given the center of the polygon. Let's put the center of the polygon here. Is it inscribed to a circle or circumscribed to a circle? You're given the distance 40 AC. That means 40 across corner, so therefore it is going to be inside. So you click on inscribe circle. The circle is radius circle is 40, so you gotta go here 20. So let's measure from here to here is 40. So this is our, because we are drawing center radius. So let's move this a bit. Now we're going to get our elevation. I hope you all have the problem. Let's go to our elevation. The elevation is 50 high. So let's copy this line. 50. Now let's do our elevation. Oh, just trying a shortcut here. Now you can start your pattern anywhere. A distance from the figure, and what you will mark out is the perimeter, or you're marking out the perimeter of the plan. When you parallel line, you take parallel lines from the elevation and you take the measurements from the plan. So let's go and measure the distance from here to here. That is 20. So let's offset distance of 20. How many sides are there? 1, 2, 3. Offset 20. What am I doing wrong? Copy S. Copy 20, 40. 1, 2, 3, 4, 60, and 80. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides. If we have to do the development of a prism, hexagonal prism, you mark out the distance of the 6 sides, and where there is A crease or fold, where remember you're putting this back together, you're cutting it out and folding it up. That would be, there will be hidden detail lines. QP. 10, let me try 20. Alright. Now, where the figures to be creased or folded, you would have hidden detail lines here. It's as if you were to cut out this and fold it to make this hexagonal prism. Now this hexagonal prism is hollow. Now the problem calls for, this is what a full prism. Let's do the pattern. This here is called the pattern. Oh, I like putting capital letters, but you can live with that for the hour. Now the problem calls for a hexagonal prism. The bottom here is 8, so let us, we can offset this line 8, offset 8, open this line here 8. So now our figure is no longer the full prism. So you draw a line from here to here, and we trim and you erase this top piece. Right, now you want to get the development of this. So what we have to do is draw lines passing through here, here, and the top. Now for let's say, to see how you're doing this figure, you're told that the seam is here. The seam is where you would open the figure where it starts. So the seam is here. So let us label the figure. This should help with what we're doing. Single line. Let's go to text. This is here. Rotation angle. Let's call this. Oh, one. Oh, easy. One. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Move. Move. Let's move this. Right, so the seam is on 1. So let's move 1 here. Not move, copy. Let's copy 1 here. Remember, as the problem states, the seam is here. Here is where you would open the figure. So we copy now. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now remember, 1 is where you would start. So after 6, you go back to 1. So let's deal with our trusty donut. Wait, 1. 1 would be here, which should be here. 2 is on this point, which should be here. 3 is on this point, would be here. 4 is on the top, which is here. 5 came back down to this. 5, remember 5 is here. 6 would be here. And 1 would come back down to here. So now our prism would be cut here. Okay, and now we just trim the top. Series. So we have our figure completed. Let's go to text, single line text. This is the plan, and we have the elevation. Right, don't forget you could always put in your orthographic symbol, but this should cover it for the hour. Thank you.